Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a bit exciting because we haven't had one of these in a while, and it's a handbag unboxing. And spoiler alert, it's vintage Coach. So if you're back here for more vintage Coach content, this is a great video for you. I got this from a bag friend of mine, and she has kindly parted this bag to go to me. And here's a note. Just remove the note. And I know if you're watching, thank you so much for thinking about me. It's a nice card, thank you. And I really appreciate all the bag fairy goodies that she lets go to me. She has really good taste. So anyway, this is the bag. It's very wrapped because she is just like that. Very careful with packaging. One that I can never emulate because I'm just bad at packaging. I admit it, but thank you for the care. See, it's even wrapped in tissue, like really. Really good care of her. She takes really good care of her bags, so I really like that. And I'm just gonna rip through it just so you guys can see it faster. It's none other than the Vintage Coach Derby. So as you can see, it doesn't have the original hardware. The original hardware of the Derby is the push lock, which I really don't like because I just prefer the simplicity of the turn lock. So this one she replaced herself. It's got the normal like Coach turn lock here. It's got a beautiful top handle, the earrings on the sides, just like the Regina. On the back, it doesn't have a back slip pocket, but that's okay. It doesn't have feet. It's almost, I think, the same size as the Regina, just by like eyeballing it. But yeah, let's see on the inside what it looks like. So this has been rehabbed already. It's also an excellent rehabber. Here it's just a big black hole, and the creed at the back. Oh no, it's not at the back. Where's the creed for this? Oh yeah, so the creed is actually right here on this part of the pocket. It's a unique creed, so it's 1257-205. Is it 205? Yep, and it's made in the United States. You can't see it, it's black. And it's like right in there. So slip pocket in front, just an empty compartment in the main compartment, and that's it. It doesn't come with a hang tag. It doesn't come with a strap, but that's totally fine with me. I'm planning to use it with my mini Willis quilted, the Quilties Willis strap, and it's got the brass hardware in black, so it's easy. So if you look at it this way, let's just try it out now. I might actually just use this bag tomorrow, because why not? There you go. It's really beautiful. Can't go wrong. It's black, right? So I really wanted the yellow 1941 Derby bag. I think they're calling it like top handle. Is it top handle curved bag or something like that? It's a long name, but it's essentially this bag, only yellow. And I know that I can never find a yellow in the price that I want. So you know what? I will take black. So anyway, I'm super happy about this. Thank you so much, bag friend. You know who you are. And I will use this tomorrow. Take it to work, and yeah. I hope you guys like this video. If you're into vintage Coach or just any handbag or SLG content, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, the bell button, and all the buttons you can find down there. And thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.